BG's Peyton Gottschall, 15 Ks yesterday against Toledo, back for more. Game 2 of the series with the Rockets, continuing to deal. Jenna Kroll goes down swinging. 1-2-3 inning for the conference strikeout leader. Bottom 1, Greta L'Esperance, bullet up the middle, out to the warning track, and she's booking it around the bases, gets the green light for the inside the park home run. Falcons with the early lead. 4th inning, Gottschall inside corner, her 7th strikeout of the day. It's a 2-0 lead for the Falcons. Bottom of the 5th, bases loaded for BG. Madison Hendricks wants to kiss the sky. High fly ball to center. Lexi Ekman can't make the play. It clears the bases on the double. It's a 5-0 lead for the home team. That would be the final of Game 1. A one-hit shutout performance from Gottschall. Series finale, Rockets looking to avoid the sweep, facing someone other than Gottschall in the circle. Top of the 3rd, Anna Dixon. Rockets 1 to left center. How about Greta L'Esperance laying out to make the grab? The highlight reel. Catch Preps will see it Monday in the top 5 plays. Rockets do score 1, though. Dana Denner adding to it. Rips the double down the right field line. Sydney McKeever with the wheel, scores all the way from first. Rockets with their largest lead of the weekend, but Bailey Sample changing all that. Smokes one to right center, off the wall. 2-run double for the freshman. It's just a 1-run game. Bottom of the 2nd, Allie Bijak, base hit to right center, gets away from Ekman. Michaela Deese getting the green light. She would beat the throw, slides home safely. Bowling Green up 1, and they bring in Gottschall to close it out. 5-3 the final. The battle of I-75 belonging to the Bowling Green Falcons this weekend.
Oh, I think this is a huge momentum shift for us. We came into the MAC, started off a little bit slow with NIU, and I think coming in here, get 3 wins is huge for us going into Western next weekend. This team is very different from years in the past. We continue to build off each other, and if we bring the energy, bring the intensity, then there's nobody we can't beat.
Hard to beat our team calling the games, Mason Lowry and Steve Ronkowitz.
Well, you know, if you're Bowling Green, you could hardly have drawn this weekend up any better.
You know, they came out and they've got the win yesterday, really played well yesterday. But you look at that first game today, and they were really in charge. Of course, Peyton Gottschall, what can you say about her? She came out, had just strikeout after strikeout. She was in total control in the first game. Bowling Green came out, they got that first home run by L'Esperance, and after that it was just really, they kind of hung on from that point on, and Bowling Green was totally in control in game number 1.
Yeah, Peyton Gottschall, 3 wins in 3 games, strikes out 30 for the weekend, which is really remarkable. But Greta L'Esperance, too, you mentioned that inside the park home run to kind of set the tone for the rest of the day. Also a great catch on a dive out in center field. A weekend to remember for her, too.
Indeed, and anytime you start out with the home run that she had there, then inside the park one, she was able just to really kind of almost hit second base, but just had good roll to it and got between the outfielders, and it was just a track meet after that, and nobody's going to beat her in a track meet. You got to give some credit, though. Ellie Price for Toledo inside the circle. I thought she pitched really well. Other than that, everything could have kind of gone south after that first at bat, but she really kind of steadied things, got back in the game. And Toledo, I thought, played pretty well in game number 1, played well in game number 2, as a matter of fact. Got out to the lead 3-0, but just couldn't hang on.
There you have it. Bowling Green sweeps Toledo in the battle of I-75.